Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending from where you're watching this video from. My name is Irene, and in case you're coming across to this channel for the very first time, hey, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video, guys. And after watching this video to the end, hey, please leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about this amazing video. So today it's another super special day. It's actually around 12, and yes, it's a good day, and we thank God for the gift of life. I'm coming live and clear from very different location. Yes, very different location, and I am in the kitchen. Yes, I'm preparing something known as banana. Yes, I'm preparing. I'm just trying to peel, and then we will cook it later. So I just want to share you the journey, like how we cook here in Africa and or in Kenya. And please, even as you still watch this video, guys, please, I'm requesting you to kindly watch this video to the end, and I will really appreciate. So thank you so much, guys, and hey, enjoy the video. Yes, so this is the banana. It was already here. I did not go to get it from the garden. Actually, this is my friend's house. I'm not at home. I'm very far away from home. So my friend told me to peel the banana for her so that she can come and pick and cook their own way, the Ugandan way. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to peel, and then later on, I have water, yeah, from the tap. I'm peeling from this, and then I'm putting them right here. So that is it. And Africa, we are so much blessed. You know, these things we don't buy them. We get them from the garden, direct from the garden, guys. And guess what? We have something here. Hey, something here. Lord, guys. This is what is this? The pineapple. Very fresh from the garden. Imagine. Yeah, so please keep it locked here, keep subscribing, and keep watching this video to the end. So guys, I don't know if you can see me well, but I'm trying to do the peeling of the banana, like right here. You're now done, guys. I'm putting this inside this packet dustbin. So I'm done. I'm washing my hands. can see me. Yes, so we're done. This is our banana. Very nice. This is it. We are done. Yes, so guys, this is the cow meat. I was cutting it, and so I forgot to film that part. These are the bananas, the one I was peeling, and the fire is on. It is cooking. Yes, so we're boiling the meat. Then we have the onions right here. Oh, this is the salt I want to have. These are the carrots, the skuma wiki. cook it later. So the tomato and these are the onions. So I'm only going to use this one and this. Yes, the rest we want to keep them. Also we have beans. Yes, the beans right here. So guys, this is the banana. We want to cook this, we want to smash it Ugandan style. I've been told like that. So it is very ready from here. Me, I don't know how to cook Ugandan style. I'm just trying. I've been given the clue how to do it. So I'm going to pour this water inside this sink, inside here. Then here. So we are just moving all the water like this. Bring this home. My Ugandan friends. Oh, it's live there. So I've realized that these people, the Ugandan people, they cook this like ugali, somehow, because this is the same way we cook our ugali. Yes, we are cooking. Hey, I'm tired. My hand. We are cooking banana, Matoke. My Ugandan friends, they call it Matoke. Hey. I'm even sweating. I'm really sweating, guys. Well, help me. Hey. Help me. Hey. Tough. More than you. Shika, ndio. Kuja huko. Hey. I think it's okay. It's okay now? Huh? It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay. So this is what... These are the Ugandan... You know, for us, we don't like do it like this.
But this is the Ugandan way.
The Ugandan way.
Yeah. And do you know how to cook it in Uganda way? No. The traditional way?
No.
I tell you.
So this is another one, and
this is the modern one, but this is a traditional one.
Okay. I think I need. Very nice.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Can you taste? Because you know you cook it. Can you taste?
Add it later.
With the soup.
I see your video.
By the way, this was being inspired by Irungu Brenda.
I see you. As he was saying when you told him to video to us, he was not invited.
You want to eat with the beans. These are the beans. Also, this is the meat. These are the beans, guys.
And fried.